Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Charles Ogier, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 simple steps that will help you improve your life starting today. Whether you're feeling stuck, looking to make a change, or just want to level up, these steps are easy, actionable, and most importantly, they work. Step number 1, listen actively. Sounds simple, right? But it's incredibly powerful. When you truly listen to others, you create trust, build stronger relationships, and make people feel valued. Active listening can make someone feel heard and validated, which can improve their day and even their life. Action tip. Today, take a moment to really listen to someone. Turn off your phone, make eye contact, and be present. Step 2 is offer encouragement. Sometimes, all it takes is one word of encouragement to lift someone's spirits and change their mindset. Positive words can boost someone's confidence and give them the strength to keep going. Action tip. Think of one person in your life who could use some encouragement. Send them a text or give them a quick call to tell them how awesome they're doing. Step 3. Help them set goals. We all have dreams, but without a clear roadmap, they can feel unreachable. Helping someone break down their dreams into achievable goals gives them something tangible to work towards. Action tip. Sit down with someone today and help them set a goal. Whether it's a fitness goal or a personal project, you can help them create an actionable plan. Step 4 is share a resource or skill. You've likely learned a lot of useful things along the way, so share what you know. Whether it's a book, a podcast, or a new skill, giving someone access to your resources can help them grow and learn. Action tip. Think of one resource that helped you, and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Step 5. Be a role model. People are inspired by what they see, led by example. Whether it's your positive attitude, your work ethic, or how you treat others, your actions can motivate those around you to do the same. Action tip. Led by example today. Pick one behavior you want to embody and show others how it's done. Step 6. Celebrate their successes. No achievement is too small to celebrate. Recognizing someone's hard work or progress can help them feel appreciated and motivated. Action tip. Take the time to acknowledge someone's success today, whether it's a small win or a major accomplishment. A simple great job can go a long way. Step 7 is be there in tough times. Life isn't always smooth sailing, and sometimes, the best thing you can do for someone is just be there for them. Your support can help them push through the hardest moments. Action tip. Reach out to someone who might need your support today. Offer a listening ear or just let them know you're thinking of them. A few years ago, I was stuck. I was overwhelmed with work, struggling with self-doubt, and feeling like I was constantly behind. Every day felt like a repeat, and no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't break free from the cycle. Then, I realized something. Improvement doesn't have to be complicated. It can start with 7 simple steps. I began by listening to myself, understanding what I truly needed, and setting clear, achievable goals. I stopped waiting for the perfect time and celebrated every little victory along the way, no matter how small. The transformation didn't happen overnight, but these 7 steps slowly turned my life around. I wasn't perfect, but I was moving forward, and that made all the difference. A single act of kindness can create endless ripples of change. I challenge you to take action today. Choose one person in your life who could use some support, encouragement, or guidance. How can you help them? Leave a comment below and let me know what action you're taking. I'd love to hear how you're making a positive impact. Tag someone you're helping today. What's one thing you've done recently to improve someone's life? Or what's something someone did for you that made a huge difference? Share your story with us in the comments. Let's keep the positive energy flowing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another inspiring video. And remember, improving your life, and the lives of others, can start with just one small step. Let's make a change together. Text on screen. Subscribe for more videos on personal growth, success, and transformation.